What's up, you guys? You are now in tune to Buckaroo X Fishing. I got something special for you guys today. We about to go and see what we can get. It's a rainy day. We just gonna go out there because I'm bored in the house. Bored in the house, in the house, bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. So we about to go and see what we can get. It's a gloomy day. It's been raining all day yesterday and all last night, so I know it should be a good day, bro. Like, I know we should be able to get something, at least some bass or something. I ain't really too much fishing for crappie or bluegill. I'm just trying to catch me some bass, but we most definitely gonna get into the video. I hope you guys like it, the new content, because we got up-to-date gear. I'm much more clearer, and I got a GoPro and everything, so we gonna keep y'all in the view. You know how it go. Alright, y'all, so this is the first spot. Bro, I just stepped in a freaking mean behind puddle, bro. That junk suck. But this is the first spot. Let's see if we catch a fish. Let's see what you catching a fish. I got two different setups right now. Right now, your boy fishing a donkey rig on this setup with a little Berkeley swim shad and a Zoom Junior fluke. It's called Houdini. But then I got two setups. I got the Innovation jig. Y'all boys hit my boy up. He make jigs, innovative jigs, and it's gonna pop it real quick. But let's see what we could get. I got the wet feet. Let's see if it's bass in here. Now, I never tried this lake. I seen fish, you know, coming up to the top. But I never tried this lake, so we gon' see what we can get. It's raining pretty. Y'all see the rain on the water. It's a lot of weeds right here. We gotta cast somewhere different. Alright, y'all, so I just put on a frog, a popping frog. Let's see what we can get. If not, they ain't hitting on this, I'm just gonna slide because we got other spots to go to, like I said. Because this took me a minute to get. Well, it didn't take me a minute to get on. Your boy did what he had to do. But yeah, I got on this frog. About to make it do what it do. All right, y'all, we at our next location. This location we can't walk. We had to walk to. I had to park at a gas station and walk here. I found this out through my manager. He said it's a good spot over here if you fish off this bridge, but you gotta walk on it, and it's a certain way you can walk. It's a path that you can walk. I don't know if it's on the opposite side or this side. It's a path that you can walk through where you could go under there and get under this bridge. Your boy by himself, so I don't know if I'm gonna be, you feel me, going too far under here, because it just looked like a whole bunch of weeds. But you know the fish is in that type of
shit. But you know also, what the fuck is in that shit? Some big ass alligators. We live in Florida. Don't get this shit food. Don't let that shit food. It's a good place. Shit, dude.
Hey, I ain't caught nothing today. It's halftime right now. Halftime. I had to stop by. First of all, my GoPro died, but I had to stop by back home and get some food because it was just very frustrating. It was rainy. And something else that I had to stop by. I'm a type of person, I do not like when my feet is wet because I was stepping on a whole bunch of puddles, and you know how you have your socks and it is, when you walk it feel like mush and junk. I do not like that. So I had to stop and change my socks and shoes. But I'm about to take an hour's break real quick so that my GoPro can charge. Not only that, I get me some food in, and we're gonna get back to this next spot because I'm still trying to catch me a fish. I can't go without catching a fish. I don't care if it's raining outside. I need a fish. I need it right now. All right, we are back in motion. Your boy, he's been refreshing up. I got on some shoes, got changed up my pants because they were soaking wet. We are on to the next spot. Hopefully I catch a fish. Who knows? But prayingly I'll catch a fish. All right, you guys, we are at I don't know location. I'm gonna put it on the bottom, but we here. Hopefully we can get a bite or something. We ain't gonna stay here too long, like I said. This is a bigger lake, and I'm trying to walk over there because I seen this a little spillway or something over there. See if we can catch something. I caught something in this section before, but let's see if we can get a bite. I know there's some weeds in this. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a bite. That's all I'm trying to get. How can you be a fishing vlogger and don't catch no fish? I don't care if it's raining or not. We need something. It's a good day to catch fish. Oh shit. Oh shit. As soon as I dropped that motherfucker. Oh no. He got unhooked, bro. When I tell you, as soon as I dropped that motherfucker, as soon as I dropped it in the, I felt something. I thought it was some bullshit. Oh yeah. Damn, he hit the reel and fell off. As soon as I dropped it. Y'all. Y'all seen that was a fish. I ain't land them though. I ain't put them on the land them. But y'all see, y'all boy caught a fish. Let's see if I can go and get another one. I know y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they hit him tonight. They hit him. Hold on. They here today. They here. They here.
I'm sorry. Yeah, they here. Got you. What I told y'all. What I told y'all. What I told y'all. And you getting landed. You getting landed. You getting landed. What I told y'all, boys. What I told y'all. They here. They here. Look, jumping out there. They here, y'all. What I told y'all. What I told y'all. A little small one. But I'm glad we got two up on there. We got two. Come on. Come on. We got two. Nice little size. They here, y'all. They here. Let's see. Right down the middle. Right down the middle. I got another hit though. We're gonna put it right down the middle again. I got another hit. Dang, I don't know if that's weeds or am I feeling the hit. I swear I'm feeling the hit, but I don't know if that's weeds. It could be weeds. Yo, they ain't weeds. They ain't weeds. Come on. Bring your ass here. They ain't weeds, y'all. It's the third one. It's a little small school over here, though. It's a little small school. Y'all see what they hitting on? They hitting at Berkeley. I gotta retire another one. But they hitting on that Berkeley. Dang, he hooked himself good. They here, y'all. They here. Let's toss them back. Something is here right here. Let's see if we can get them. I gotta get another Berkeley on that shit. Look, they hit it right here. Get another Berkeley. We three. This the first spot. Nah, this you see the other spots how we kept on casting shit. Damn motherfucking catch nothing. Look, these bitches hitting over here. Oh yeah. Hey y'all. They here. I got another hit. And it's a bigger bait. So whatever hit it is, best believe there's some big fish in here, y'all. Some big fish in here. Some little babies hitting this jump. It gotta be little babies hitting that. So you wanna know something? I'm gonna take that smaller shad and go and rip them. I'm gonna get these little babies out of here. This one for y'all. This one for my new subscriber that subscribed to Buckaroo X Fishing. Yeah, I told you. This one to my new subscriber that subscribed to Buckaroo X Fishing. He trying to fight. I subscribed to oh no! The whole setup came off, the donkey rig and everything. He was a bigger one. He was a bigger one. It's all the tension. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't making that same mistake though. You ain't going nowhere. I ain't making that same mistake though. I ain't making that same mistake though. I'm gonna walk you. You coming here. Come here. Come here. You see, I ain't made that same mistake, y'all. I ain't made that same mistake this time. They getting bigger, y'all, though. They getting bigger. Nice one. Nice bass. They getting bigger. I ain't making that same mistake though. I lost too many fish. I lost about 3 fish. One hit the side of the pole, and I caught a lot. I ain't making that same mistake. Y'all think we should move around? I think we hitting them. Like every cast we hitting them, John. Something. I'm just trying to see when the big one comes. Let's see when the big one comes. Cause we keep every cast we yoking them things. I don't even think I should move. I know I want to move to see if we get a big one though. Look, talking about every time that thing touch the water. Every time that thing, ooh, every time that thing touch the water. Every time that thing touch the water, we getting them. Fight all you want to, bro. Yeah, you coming here. You can fight all you want to, bro. You coming here. Come on. Come over here. And this one bigger. This one bigger, y'all. I told you. They just getting bigger in size. They getting bigger. This one bigger. Come on. Come on. They just getting bigger in size. Like, come on now. You need to throw that big bait. This small little swim jig, tearing that Berkeley little swim shad. Cheat, tearing their ass up. Tearing their ass up. Tearing them up. This is a bigger one too. I go get back to fishing. I gotta get back to fishing, y'all. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go. I told you. I told you. You ain't flipping this off. You ain't flipping this off. I told y'all. Told y'all. I was less than 5 casts. I was less than 5 casts. I told y'all. I told y'all. I told y'all I was gonna get it in less than 5 casts. Come on. Come on. Less than 5 casts, I told y'all. I don't know how much bass this is, but which number of bass this is, but you know, we've been catching them.